Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. You need a Google account and the Play card code. Once done, open a browser on your computer or an Android device because you cannot redeem a Google Play card inside the iPhone App Store. Next, sign into Play. Google.com/redeem or the Google Play app on Android. Enter the code exactly as printed. This grants Google Play balance tied to your Google account, which is required for cross-platform purchases or gift purchases later. Once you've redeemed the card on Google Play, you'll see the balance in your account. Make sure to use it to purchase items Google permits, apps, media, subscriptions, or buy a Google Play gift for someone else by email. Because iPhone apps rely on Apple's App Store, you can't directly spend Google Play balance there. However, you can buy cross-platform subscriptions or digital content accessible via the same account, or purchase gifts and send them to an email the iPhone user can access. Finally, verify the purchase or gift was applied to the correct Google account and that the recipient can access it on their iPhone via the same login or email. If balance does not appear, make sure the code was entered without mistakes. Sign out and sign back in, then refresh the Play balance page. If problems persist, take a clear photo of the card and receipt, then contact Google support for redemption help. Keep the card number private until issue is resolved.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.